Hey folks, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to try our hands at cleaning up this transmission out of my 1970 Corvette. This is a Muncie M20 4-speed that probably has about 50 some years of gunk and grime and dirt and everything else. So my plan of attack is really two parts here. I'm going to use a scraper here just to try and get off some of the bigger chunks. And then I'm going to use my favorite super clean aerosol cleaner degreaser to go over it and see what we can get off and get clean, so this thing can get sent off to the transmission shop, taken apart, given a once over, and then rebuilt with all new seals, gaskets, and then any other gears or anything else that's going to be needed to handle all the power that we're putting through it. So with that, let's get started. Got everything scraped off as best I can. I think I got a lot of the big chunks off. Went ahead and covered up the speedometer input cable. I know I could take that out and probably plug it off with something, but I don't have anything, so I've got electrical tape on it. Now comes the favorite part. This super clean aerosol is one of my favorites here. And I'm just gonna go ahead and give this thing a good once over. Let it sit, get the pressure washer out. I may have to go over it once or twice, and it should do the job for us. First pass is complete, not too bad, but I am going to go ahead and hit this again with some more super clean. And I did end up switching nozzles on my pressure washer to a green tip, and I may end up switching to a little more aggressive yet, but that green tip is doing a pretty good job here. So we'll go ahead and give this super clean a chance to soak for a second time, and we'll see how it looks. Well, after a couple applications of super clean, I did have to get a little aggressive. I used a stiff bristle brush to clean everything off, just to agitate the super clean. And then I also switched from the gray to the green to the yellow tip on my pressure washer. And it did a pretty darn good job. I mean, there is still some stuff that is just really caked on there. And I think if I wanted to get this even cleaner than it is now, which I do, once I get this back from the transmission shop, if those guys don't clean it up, then I'm just gonna have to hit everything with like a brass wire wheel. But I mean, it did get inside the bell housing pretty darn clean. So there's that. Again, that was with some super clean degreaser, and then I also happen to have some of their all-wheel cleaner, which is, if I'm not mistaken, an acid-based cleaner, so it cuts through brake dust and, you know, wheel grime and stuff like that a little bit better. I think that stuff helped to get some of the crud off of there. But, you know, for 54 years of grime and grease and everything, I can't complain one bit. Super clean. Did a great job. Love it. I'm going to continue to use it. We'll always keep it in the garage. And let me know what you guys think. What else would you guys use to clean off your transmission? Guys, that's going to do it for this video. Thanks for stopping by. Be sure you're subscribed to get updates and notifications when all of the new videos drop for this Corvette build. Super excited about it, and I'm looking forward to bringing you guys more content on this project. As always, thanks for stopping by, and I look forward to seeing you on the next one.